Hello everybody, this is Mr.PigStashe and welcome back to, Stranger Things, because it's been so long because I've been trying to get through Simulacra because I knew it would take so much longer, but it turns out that this has maybe 8 or 11 chapters in it, so we are doing very poorly in this game. And anyways, besides that, this game's freaking fun, and I love Stranger Things, so let's get into it. Where the heck am I? Ooh, trash can. Ooh, oof. Oof, 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 oof. Okay. Is someone speaking Russian? I do not know where ooh. I've been here already, I know that for a fact. Alright. Okay, let's freaking fight these motherfuckers. I've done poorly. Okay. Okay, I guess that's good. Oh my god! I'm failing! Ah! Stop it! Oh my gosh. Good. I don't even know anymore. It turns out I was freaking out. It was actually really simple. Like, really simple. Like, anyone could have figured that out. Like, seriously. No joke. Like, anyone could have figured that out. Like, oh my god! These things are a pain in the ass at times, you know? They can just stay down. Oh my god. Oh yeah, gotta keep cool. The egg things are a real pain in the ass. No joke. No joke, bro. Give me hearts. Give me hearts. Give me hearts. No! Will you just stop once in your life and do something? And do something, man. Do something. Do something good for you once in your life. Hey, it's Mike. You idiot. What are you doing here? You're an idiot too. Weren't you doing the same thing? I was on the radio when the gate appeared. I thought it was L. Look, we can decide who the idiot is once we get it. We'll find a way out there. Mike has joined the party. Tap your character to face the menu, blah blah blah. That's right, stuns in his bag, jumps around, fast travels. I'm just gonna stick with Hopper at the moment, so. Alright. If they can hurt you, I'm gonna beat you up, boy. Oh yeah, boy. Oh. Okay, let's get out of here. If we can get that guy to stand still, maybe we can keep the door. My super deluxe floodlight may be able to stun him for a bit. I see. I see. Let's go. freaking sit down, bruh. Kick your ass. I don't know what else to say. I'm just wanting to say random stupid stuff that I don't know what means. Okay, you just stay there because you don't know how to get past that. Okay, I need Nancy. Just beat the heck out of him. Crap. Just beat the crap out of him. Just beat him up, Nancy. Beat him up. Beat him up with that baseball bat. What am I supposed to be doing? What do you want from me? Oh, crap. No! Do as I say! Jeez, what are you mad at me? Why? Oh, dang it! Get back up, you freaking idiot. Okay, I gotta time this. I gotta freaking time. I know what I'm doing. Okay. I hate this so freaking much. Oh, I did it. Oh, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh, this is gonna be freaking complicated. I hate you guys. Go. I think we made it out safely. Except anyway, we gotta make a break for it. We go to the bikes. 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 Ah, sweet. I see what I'm supposed to do. Ah, frick. Okay. Crap. Run into a mailbox, come on. It's not worth risking that. Okay. What? Not this again. Making progress. Oh, boy. What? You bought out a freaking gun? I did it. Oh, what's happening to him? He's aggression boy. Okay, Hawkins Middle School completed. That's pretty sweet. We found an Eggo. Collect all 8 and place them in Hopper's lockbox. You guys totally bailed on me. We didn't bail, we were performing reconnaissance. Radio static. Mayday, mayday, is anyone in there? I'm... the sewers. There's water. I'm trapped. Help. Well, this is the chief. Hang on, kid. We're coming to get you. I can get there right away on my bike. Tap the bike button as bike to switch to bike mode. You can move extra fast but can't attack. This is actually all the time I have for this episode, so I will see you guys in the next video. This got getting interesting, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye.